Alright, in this video we will be using Dc3dd to compress an image on the fly during forensics image acquisition. Alright, so we will be imaging sde, which is a 15 gigabyte USB drive. Let's go ahead and open up the command line. Alright, so this is the command we'll be using. This is the device file, sde. We're saying we want a verbose output. We're then going to pipe it into Gzip. That's going to compress it to a .gz file. Alright, let's go ahead and execute it. Alright, this might take a little bit of time, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and resume when it finishes. Alright, looks like Dc3dd has finished its image acquisition. As you can see here, 0 bad sectors, 14 gigabytes. Now, one method that you can do once you finish the acquisition, you can go ahead and pipe zcat to sha256 ohms, and that will uncompress it and then pipes it to sha256 ohm to determine the cryptographic hash. But anyways, for compressing an image on the fly during a forensics image acquisition, that is all. Thanks.